Dear students, today we are going to see Unit 1, next topic, Major Physiographic Divisions of India. There is a varied nature of physiographic divisions in India, though the country has many landforms based on the major differences. It is divided into the following 5 physiographic divisions. They are the Himalayan mountains, the Great Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, the coastal plain, the islands. Now we are going to see only the Himalayan mountains. It is also called Northern Mountains. The Himalayan mountains consist of the youngest and the loftiest mountain chains in the world. It stretches for a distance of 2500 km from the Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. The width of the northern mountain, that is Himalayan mountain, varies from 500 km in Kashmir to 200 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The Pamir knot, popularly known as the roof of the world, it is connecting link between the Himalayas and the high range of Central Asia. Students, the Pamir knot, that is a very important place. Often they will ask in the exam, you have to mark in the map, India map, okay, that is above the Jammu and Kashmir. It is located above the Jammu and Kashmir. The term Himalaya is derived from Sanskrit. It means the abode of snow. It is grouped into 3 divisions. They are the Trans-Himalayas, Himalayas, and the eastern or Purvanchal hills. Then Aravalli range is the oldest fold mountain range in India. It will also ask in the exam paper, often children, they will be asked in the one words, okay, Das is the oldest fold mountain range in India. Now we are going to see the first one, the Trans-Himalayas. It is also known as Western Himalayas. It lies to the north of the Great Himalayan range. It lies in Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan Plateau. It is also known as Tibetan Himalayas. The rocks of this region contain fossils bearing marine sediments, which are underlain by tertiary granite. The prominent ranges of Trans-Himalayas are Zanskar, Ladakh, Kailash and Karakoram. Second point, the Himalayas. It consists the core part of northern mountains. It is an young fold mountain. Its main divisions are Greater Himalaya, the Lesser Himalayas and the Sivaliks. Now we are going to see the first point, the Greater Himalayas, or otherwise it is called the Himadri. It rises suddenly like a wall north of the Lesser Himalayas. Its height is about 6000 meter and 25 km wide. Almost all of the lofty peaks of Himalayas are located in this range. The notable ones are Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meter and Kanchenjunga height is 8,586 meter. Mount Everest is located in Nepal and Kanchenjunga is located between Nepal and Sikkim. It is region of permanent snow cover. It has many glaciers. The next point is the Lesser Himalayas, or we can call it as a Himachal. It is a middle range of Himalayas. Its height varies from 3700 to 4500 meter and width varies up to 80 km. The major rocks of this range are slate and limestone. Major hill stations of the Himalayas are located in this range. They are Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, Ranikhet and Darjeeling. The next one is the third point is the Sivaliks or Outer Himalayas. It extends from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. The height of the mountain is 1300 meter and width vary from 10 km in the east to 50 km in the west. It is the most discontinuous range. Now we are going to see the third one, Purvanchal Hills. These are the eastern offshoot of Himalayas. Most of these hills are located along the border of India and Myanmar while others are inside India. Dafla Hills, Abor Hills, Mishim Hills, Mizo Hills, Naha Hills, Kasi and Jaintia Hills, which are collectively known as Puravanchal Hills.